What is recommended for cleaning mildew? First, the EPA suggests that if an area is larger than 10 square feet, let a professional tackle the job. When working in mold-contaminated areas or cleaning and/or removing mold, personal protection is very important. Anyone in the mold-contaminated area should have the same personal protection equipment. Wear a long-sleeve shirt and long pants to protect arms and legs. In addition, the minimum safety protection includes gloves, preferably extending to the middle of the forearm. If you will be using a biocide, such as bleach or any chemical cleaners, check to see that your gloves are resistant to the chemical. N95 respirator, approved by the National Institute of Occupational Safety and Health, and goggles or eye protection. A professional working in the area with a serious mold problem will wear a half-face respirator with an HEPA filter. A homeowner may want to consider this and follow package directions concerning fitting and using the respirator. Plus, you may want to wear disposable coveralls. Any clothes, shoes, or protective equipment worn in the mold-contaminated area should be removed in that area and cleaned before leaving the area. Otherwise, clothes and equipment can be placed in plastic bags and taken outside of the building for cleaning. This will help prevent mold spores from being distributed all over the building. According to the EPA, mold contamination covering over 10 square feet should be handled by a trained professional who will fully contain the mold-contaminated area. This is known as making a limited containment area, which separates it from the rest of the building to minimize the spread of mold spores. Limited containment requires polyethylene sheeting sealing to floor around the mold-contaminated area with a split entry covered by a flap. Maintenance of negative pressure in the limited containment area by a HEPA filter exhaust fan, and blocking all supply and return area vents of the heating and cooling system in the limited containment area. You may want to make a limited containment area for smaller mold problems as well. No matter what area you are working in, if the mold has grown into the material or the materials are water damaged, remove, seal in plastic bags, and discard as normal waste. For most household materials, except drywall, use a mister or wet vacuum to clean the surface and remove all visible mold. If needed, dampen the work area to minimize dust that would spread mold spores. Clean surface with a cleaner appropriate to the material. Hard surfaces such as concrete, vinyl, laminate, linoleum, and ceramic tile can be cleaned with an all-purpose cleaner or a water and detergent solution. This won't work for drywall, as the moisture could damage it. Check the label of cleaning products for the types of surface that can be safely cleaned with the product. Carpets and upholstery can be steam cleaned. Many times they will need to be disposed of. Wood should be cleaned with a cleaner specifically for wood. Then, thoroughly dry all surfaces and materials. Vacuum all surfaces with a vacuum cleaner with a HEPA, high-efficiency particulate air filter. Dispose of the contents of the filter in a sealed plastic bag. What about using bleach? Chlorine bleach is a biocide, which means that it is a disinfectant chemical that will kill germs to control infections. Bleach may kill the mold spores, but it does not remove the mold hyphate. Using bleach to clean mold may not be adequate to stop mold growth or prevent health effects from mold byproducts. In addition, bleach evaporates easily and can affect indoor air quality. Therefore, in most situations, using a biocide to clean mold is not recommended. Cleaning mold from floodwaters or sewer backup is a unique situation where biocides may be used. In most cases, the water leading to mold growth was contaminated and the biocide is part of the decontamination process. It is important that any detergents or cleaning products used to clean and remove mold do not contain ammonia in case they mix with bleach. Bleach and ammonia will form poisonous gas. Mold and mildew can cause health problems for those who are allergic to them. Check basements and other areas often during humid and wet weather. To reduce mildew, remove the source of moisture. For more information, go to ianrpubs.unl.edu and search for the keyword mold. I'm Lorene Bartos with the University of Nebraska-Lincoln Extension.